Welcome to InfoComm 2022 for avnetwork.com. This is Rich Fregosa. I am in a booth on the show floor, and I only have one question to start. Sir, who are you?
My name is Michael Weiner. I'm the founder and CEO of Vanguard LED Displays.
Well, Michael, it's nice to meet you. So I got a couple of quick questions.
Sure.
Why, in your opinion, is Vanguard a unique company?
Firstly, as you can see from the outfit, we are American-based and American-owned. We stress common American values of integrity and being forthright. We are committed to the pursuit of excellence in everything we undertake. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. Our impeccable reputation has been built on stellar service, exceptional responsiveness, and timely communication. Vanguard has proven that it is the de facto leader in the LED video display industry.
So, Michael, why and when did you start Vanguard?
People ask me that question, and I'm really clued out. I'm a kind of strange guy, and I really don't have an answer as to why. But we are now in our 11th year, and we're doing exceptionally well.
So what are the defining moments that contributed to Vanguard's success and growth?
What changed initially, early on, is that I invented the 16:9 aspect ratio cabinet. As you know, video is shot in 16:9. However, in 2012-13, all cabinets were square. And I asked sort of a dumb question. Why are they all square, which required the need to modify the image? So that led us to invest in creating our own cabinet. We paid for the molds, and we created a 16:9 native aspect ratio cabinet. And the market started to look at us very differently. We weren't just another company peddling normal stuff that came out of China, but rather we were giving them a reason to buy. This is an important cabinet, and the House of Worship market, which uses cameras in their services, we're all over it. The other thing that helped us a lot was in 2014, a integrator called Adibri was just about to make a move into LED away from projection. And it's really no contest. When you see an LED image versus a projected image, and where light affects the projected image tremendously, LED is perfect. So Adibri gave us the contract for First Baptist Orlando. It was a huge contract. There were a lot of consultants involved, and they saw our product, they saw how we worked, and that was the beginning of our success story. We also then realized that we can sell direct. We were clueless as to how to go to market, but realizing Adibri and their contacts and other consultant contacts gave us a tremendous exposure that we could never have achieved on our own. The other major thing that has helped make Vanguard the company it is that we are TAA approved. We are the only company in the world that's TAA approved. That means we are allowed to sell the US government and any division of the US government. With the situation between China and America, the Joint Chiefs themselves decided to eliminate the top supplier, Chinese supplier of LED displays. And that gave us the opening. Our business with the military has zoomed, and that being TAA approved has given us that leg up on the competition.
Does Vanguard own a factory?
Actually, no. Now, some of our competition make fun of me and call me Mr. Alibaba. The point being that our approach to the market is not a single factory. A single factory has its limitations. You can't produce fine pixel pitch and then outdoor and a regular pixel pitch day after day and have any quality control. My approach, which I brought over from another industry, was to select the best OEM factory in every sector of the market. Therefore, they concentrate in their area and their quality control and their products are tremendous.
Michael, you've won actually quite a few awards. What are some of the awards that Vanguard has won over the years?
Started in 2017, SCN, we won Product of the Year. In 2018, we won SCN Product of the Year. In 2018, we won Sound and Video Contractor Product of the Year. In 2019, we won SCN Product of the Year. 2020, Infocom Best in Show. 2021, again, Infocom Best in Show. And obviously, we hope to win an award at this year's 2022 show.
Quite an impressive line of awards over the years. What are some of Vanguard's product offerings that make it a video leader in the LED display industry?
Our top-selling series, including sales to the military, is our Axion series. We are now delivering a P0.7 pixel pitch. The modules are hot swappable. We use an epoxy resin glue, it's called GOB, that covers the modules. That makes it impact resistant and resistant to the intrusion of humidity. Axion Chip Flip series has very few soldering points, and as a result has an exceptionally low failure rate of 1 part per million. One of the latest things happening right now is what's called an XR Studio broadcast application. This has shutter sync, 3D color management, and frame remapping. What we've also introduced at this show is a pixel pitch that is P0.48, unheard of. This is based on an algorithm that enables sort of the borrowing of pixels, and it allows us to hit these low pixel points.
Michael, lastly, let's just talk about if there was one thing that you could attribute Vanguard's success, what do you think it would be?
Without a doubt, customer service. We're very responsive to our customer needs, and that sets us apart. Our customers know they can rely on us. Our customers know we have their back. So yes, having great product is important, but being there for our customers takes priority over everything else.
Well, fantastic. Michael, if they want to find out more about your company, where can they find it?
Well, the easiest thing is to go to our website, www.vanguardled.com.
Well, there you have it. That's where you can find Michael and his technology. If you want to find out more about AV Network and their coverage of the show and their site itself, you can find it on avnetwork.com. This is Rich Fregosa for avnetwork.com.